everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you an interesting new feature in YouTube which can be used by content creators. So I will show you how it works here. It's called Create a Course in YouTube Studio. So using this, you can create courses. So it is slowly rolled out to various creators. So if you are eligible, you can use this functionality right away. It offers structured learning experience for the viewers, where you can organize your videos into a course with dedicated features not available on standard playlist. So these are the course requirements. All YouTube courses must follow certain community guidelines. You can go through these details here. They must also teach something. That is, your course must be designed to actively teach viewers, which should focus on clearly explaining the concepts, demonstrating skills, or providing actionable knowledge. You can ask yourself, what will viewers learn or be able to do after completing the course? Or you could just think about it, what you will learn out of it if you watch that video. It should be accessible to all ages. There should not be containing age restricted content, and provide extended learning opportunity. So who can create this course? As I told you earlier, currently it has been in the testing phase with a limited group of creators to ensure best experience. Based on that, they will take suggestions and make modification in the tool. So you can create and manage courses in YouTube Studio or on desktop. Although you can upload videos through any mobile app, you still need to use a desktop to add them to your courses. So you can manage your courses directly from YouTube. So this is the step-by-step. You go into YouTube Studio. In the top right corner, you will see Create Course, and from there you can create a new course. So I'll show you how it works. So you go to YouTube Studio. So this is dashboard. So from here, if I click, you see this YouTube Studio. I see new course. Okay. So now from the pop-up, select create a new course. That is already done. Then I can put in the title, description, visibility. So here I can put in title, description of the course, the visibility of the course, whether it should be private. If it is private, then I can make it private. Then here I can add those videos that are part of this course. So you can choose existing video to add your course from here. As you can see here, new videos, click upload new videos, then upload your new videos there. So you can set an existing playlist as a course from here. You can go to content, playlist tab. On the playlist tab, you can if you want to add, click on the menu and set as course. So that is how you create courses in YouTube Studio. So I hope this video is useful. Thank you very much.